Review and follow precautions. Review and follow procedures to power down the node. Disconnect all peripheral cables from the node. Remove the node from the chassis. If in a 2U node, remove the 3-slot PCIe riser cage assembly. Remove the air baffle. Loosen the 4 captive Torx T15 screws in a diagonal pattern to release the heatsink from the system board. Lift and remove the heatsink. Note, if you are reusing the processor or heatsink, remove the thermal grease with an alcohol swab. Push down and in on the load lever marked Open lever first and allow it to rise to the spring tension position. Push down and in on the load lever marked Close lever first. Raise the lever and allow the load plate and processor to rise to the spring tension position. Grasp the processor handle and slide the processor out of the load plate. Caution: the pins on the system board are very fragile and easily damaged. To avoid damage to the system board, do not touch the processor or the processor socket contacts. Grasp the processor handle and slide the processor into the channels on the load plate. Important: ensure that the processor is properly seated on the alignment pins on either side of the processor housing. Press and hold the load plate down over the socket. Lower the load lever marked Close lever first and place it securely into its latch. Lower the load lever marked Open lever first and place it securely into its latch. Apply thermal grease in a pattern of 5 big dots on the processor. Position the heatsink over the processor and align the 4 retaining screws with the mounting holes. Tighten the 4 retaining screws in a diagonal pattern.